I got asked about how I store my mail art materials and how I organize those things. And I forget who asked me that, so I apologize. It was a message on Instagram. To be completely honest about things, I decided I wouldn't reorganize anything before I made this video, so you can see the exact state of how things actually look after use. I do go through about once a year and try to remanage all of the chaos. But this is a short video about where I keep all of the things, and there are certainly a great deal of things. I have a mail art set to do, and the way I tend to start those is I look around the studio for something that's going to inspire me. That can be a material, or a color, or a theme, and one of the best places to start those sorts of ideas for me are with a base paper. Alright, so this is my desk. This is main central where things take place. See, I keep a lot of paper stored in there, a lot of things to inspire me, that sort of thing. To the right of my desk I have a storage, it's called a map storage thing. I got it from a library supply catalog. And you can see I could be better organized about how my paper is in it, but that's where I keep rolls of decorative paper. Some are still wrapped, some are just sheets. You know, sheets, and this is why I need to go through and organize things, because I never know exactly what is all in everything. I think I just got, I just got this paper from my friend Chandra, and I think I will actually use this paper for the mail art set that I want to do. And so this paper's got some lovely corals and some yellow, some blue. So that gives me a place to start looking around for other things in the studio that might complement this paper. Oh look, a cat. So I keep little bits of things in this container. And there's yellow and blue in that, and it's gonna be Eastery soon, so maybe these go with that. No, see, that doesn't go with that. There's a cat still. That doesn't. I've got all this yellow stuff, this blue stuff, orange and red stuff, green stuff, and neutral colored stuff. So I keep little things in this particular container. Larger bits I keep in these. Various ephemeral bits. They used to be organized by color. They need reorganized. See, there's a blue drawer. And this drawer is the neutrals drawer. I think this was the green drawer? Yeah. And then I think this was the red drawer, and I've really gone through the red drawer. But I also keep a drawer full of, this is all origami paper. I find origami papers to be really useful. I don't organize them by color for some reason. For some reason, the origami paper gets its own drawer. I don't know, works for me. And then this is the multicolor drawer. And this is the envelope templates drawer. And this is a stickers drawer. And in addition to this stickers drawer, I also have that sticker drawer. See, this is again, I didn't clean up any of this. These are stickers that don't fit in the sticker drawer. Patches, which are very cool, that I don't use for anything. Paper clips. There's the stickers. Lots of stickers. Stickers. More stickers. Also, little bits of paper, not necessarily stickers, but little bits of paper. Right, so I keep those things there. I have a cat that is very demanding. And then I keep the office-y labels over here. So alpha labels and circles and like just office labels are all here. I keep our stamps here. And these drawers pull further out, but it's, I mean, I don't have that much real estate on my desk. So if I lift it up, I can get it to pull all the way out. There, see? Pulls out. Stamps I don't use all the time live at the back. And then the drawers next to those hold on my washi tape, which I think I own a very reasonable collection of washi tape. I don't own an unreasonable collection. Look how much room I have in these drawers for more tape. And then here's I never use any of this. This is all just hoard, just hoarded wonderful things. These ones too. Like I hoard these things. Yeah, so I have all those as options. And then I have this drawer thing, which I definitely made a video about. But this is where I keep all my stamps. Well, I keep some of the stamps. Most of the sheets of stamps and modern stamps are in here. There's some singles, just because I haven't sorted those yet. But other single stamps live up there. See? They live in the little drawers. I think this is a bead sorter. And these ones are sorted by value. So yeah, I have those. And like, mail art supply, except for the stamps, mail art supplies don't really live in this cabinet. This cabinet is for collecting and work. I do keep my ink pads in this one. And it's like, these are where the selvage glassines live. Clear bags. Some cicadas. And some other selvage stuff. This is where that normally lives, not the cat, but the stuff that's under the cat. But yeah, so I think that's basically everything. Oh, the envelopes live in the closet. Envelopes are stored in these 2 boxes. Ta-da! And these are just, like IKEA boxes. I mean, it works for me. And then there's just various papers everywhere. In everything. Cat. More cat. Yes. Cat. I also have this storage unit that has various papers in. It all needs reorganized. Various papers. Drawing papers. All the Letraset stuff, which is super cool but too old to work. Yeah, there's a lot of, the system is a lot of drawers full of a lot of things, if you can call that a system. B-roll of the cat.